And don't be scared. This is very important that you're not scared. Okay? Breathe. And then you can come up again. Oh, hello. And welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to fly. If you haven't seen my last how to fly video, I'm gonna link it somewhere here. But for today, I need to explain to you how important it is to lose your fear of flying. I'm just gonna hold for the plane, because the plane knows how to fly. Anyways, it's very important when you try to learn how to fly. Of course, you need to do your breathing technique. You have to meditate a lot, and you have to follow those 5 steps I explained in my last video. But many people are scared, and fear is a fly blocker. If you're scared, you will never be able to fly, like, ever at all. And that's why I'm here to explain to you that you just have to get rid of this fear, and then you actually can start practicing. Let's talk more about the technique, what you have to do. There's like a couple of different telekinesis you have to do. Like, you have to do the pyrokinesis within your body. I explained it in my last video. You have to heat up your body so you can manipulate your gravity, basically. The same with hydrokinesis. You have to manipulate the water within your body, and when you do that, you can basically bring the gravity upwards. The same with aerokinesis. You have to bring air, you have to bring the air against you so you can actually lift yourself up. Then you can actually levitate. And then of course telekinesis, so you can actually fly. And you have to do all those things in the same time, otherwise flying won't work. And in the last video I showed you how you can practice that by holding on to an object and actually to support yourself, to actually bring your feet up. But today I'm gonna show you how you can practice without a supporting object, but you won't actually fly. It's more like you're gonna lean against an invisible wall, pretty much. And the way you do that, you just basically, you of course have to breathe, and you breathe 100% in, 50% out. Inhale fully, exhale 50%, and you do that for a while, and you lean against an invisible wall. That means you have to do telekinesis against yourself. So when you lean forward, you basically push yourself back with telekinesis. And now I'm going to show you how it actually looks. So just stay calm, don't be scared, breathe. And don't be scared. This is very important that you're not scared. Okay? Breathe. And then you can come up again. And yeah, I just want you to practice that. And like I said, it's very important that you're not scared at all. If you're scared, you're gonna break, you're gonna fall right away. So please don't be scared. And when you practice that, you can even practice on maybe your bed or mattress or somewhere. If you fall, nothing bad is gonna happen. Please don't practice on like concrete or something, because I don't want you to hurt yourself. Okay? So if you have any questions, let me down in the comments below, and have a good day.